Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to fix tempered glass to a mobile phone. It's a pretty simple process, but there are a few things you need to know to make sure you do it right. Before we get started, let's talk about why you should even use a tempered glass screen protector. Tempered glass is a type of glass that has been treated to make it stronger and more resistant to scratches and shattering. It's the same type of glass that used in a car windshield, so you know it's tough. First, power off your phone and remove any existing screen protectors or cases. Get a clean, lint-free cloth to wipe down the screen, eliminating any dust, dirt or fingerprints. For stubborn grime, utilize a small amount of isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. Utilize a dust removal sticker if necessary to eliminate any lingering dust particles on the screen. Use a clean, lint-free cloth to wipe down the screen, removing any fingerprints or smudges. Carefully peel off the backing of the tempered glass screen protector. Before you start, ensure your hands are clean and dry before commencing. Choose a clean, dust-free environment for the application. Avoid pressing too forcefully on the tempered glass screen protector. If air bubbles persist, gently lift the edge of the screen protector and press it down again. Align the tempered glass screen protector precisely with the phone screen, ensuring that the camera and speaker holes are properly aligned. Gently press down on the tempered glass screen protector to adhere to the screen. Begin from the top to bottom and work your way towards the edges. If you need to safeguard your phone screen from scratches, cracks and other damages, consider applying a tempered glass screen protector. Follow these steps for a smooth application. Employ a hard material or your fingers to eliminate any air bubbles trapped beneath the tempered glass screen protector. Start at the top and work your way down towards the bottom and edges. Allow the tempered glass screen protector to dry completely before using your phone. Your tempered glass screen protector will now shield your phone screen from scratches, cracks and other damage, keeping it immaculate and operational for an extended period. With appropriate care and maintenance, your screen protector will continue to provide dependable protection for your smartphone. So friends, why don't you give this a try at home? If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Until we meet again in my next video, have a great day and goodbye.